Hello guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. Today I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper blade on a BMW F20 F21 1series. Let's go and do it.
As you can see, it doesn't really clean the rear screen efficiently. And with the Russia rev conditions, it's very important they do a good job. Let's check the condition of the blade quickly. As you should be able to see, the wiper rubber is old and it has no rigidity to it, so it's a bit floppy. It also has a little hole along the crease. It is also split. I decided to go with the Bosch H306 wiper blade, which is 12 inches long and is also used on the latest BMW X5 F12 and the F45, which is the 2 Series active tourer. There are plenty of other cars that use these wipers too. Maybe you can scan the screen to get the website up on your phone. Now, lift the wiper up. When it's up, rotate the wiper about 90 degrees until it comes off. Then throw it away. When replacing the blade, make sure these two little tabs are in the correct place so they can slide into the curved grooves. Press the wiper bar into the cutout, then do the reverse of removal. It should click into place. Thanks for watching this simple DIY video. If you want to see more BMW F20 F21 DIY videos, please subscribe. And also, I'd be very grateful if you could share and like. Those thumbs up really do help with the algorithms. Next up is how to change the air filter on an N13 engine. Thank you and take care.